Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Okay, so this messy chart, I agree, it's a mess. Very detailed. I'm going to cleanse. I'm going to make a cleanse on this chart eventually when I have more time. Greater, the big picture is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed technically a bigger wave one. I'm looking forward the end of this correction. We can see an A, a B, and I'm looking if this C wave is completed or not. Okay, so if I do the fib extension, wave A to wave C, 1-to-1 ratio, 171, 36. And now if this is the A and this is the B, micro counted, well, it would hint us that, yeah, we need to have 5 wave down. Yesterday we were here. I think I was saying I'm expecting, a better 4th wave structure. Well, actually now we did got it. Let me extend this here. So you can see that I really reacted to the 0.236 and the 0.382. One acted eventually as a support, the other one as a resistance, and went on the side. Now let me remove some levels. Okay, so now was the 4th wave finished here or here? It doesn't really matter. I would say this was the A, this is the B, this was the C or something like that. If we do micro counting, but at the end of the day, it's the area that where he reacted. And yeah, we had another leg down. This technically it's completed. Now we do have a discrepancy of levels, almost reached the 0.7x6. I mean, most of the time or often it does reach the 1-to-1 ratio. It doesn't have to necessarily to go there, but if it does, then we do have the MA50 that can help us out, and the 0.618 fib retracement as well, 173.12. Now yesterday, yes, yeah, someone put a comment on Solana, I remember. Let me check here. Yeah, I don't know. I think he was saying, he really hit bend on your target and your trend line with the alarm you set in the video of yesterday. Well, it's because I used the VRVP, right? That gave me the hint that after this level here, we don't have much. We have a little bit of volume here. It wouldn't have made sense because we were near that level. So the following one was here. So it's just using tools that we can use or we have to implement to our chart, and sometimes make it more accurate. Already it was accurate because I had the fib retracement at 0.5, so under 78.80 was a level that price could have stopped. We did have the 0.76 wave A, wave C, under 76.32, and we almost went there, right? And then I just added and find a way to find a level between those two levels. And then I must say I got lucky this time. It did pass really bend on. Nothing magic, it just using the tools. And sometimes you need to get lucky because sometimes market it goes do lower, it goes and make a new lower low, but it could have stopped just 1 cent before. Already happened. I missed a big trade with XRP 2 years ago, and I missed it by 1 cent. And that for that trade I did lost several thousand. I didn't lost, but I potentially missed several $1,000 gain because of 1 cent. So since then now I never go on the level spot on of the fibs or 1-to-1 ratio wave A wave C. I always go a little bit higher. This time it paid off, but as you can see, I should have been even more, give more room, and maybe put my order a little bit higher, because this was very tight. And so now what can we do? Now we need the price to go higher to at least start to challenge the top of this fourth wave. This is the first sign, the first hint that something more bullish could happen. Also, I don't do downtrends often, but we need to break at least this trend line. As you can see, perhaps when it's going to do that, it's going maybe to challenge this downtrend and also challenge this previous resistance. So we shall see. If he can do that and go higher, then yeah, the next challenge is going to be this green line, 195.24, and this is because it's the previous again resistance of this allegedly, I need to say allegedly, B wave, because this movement is not completed. I have no sign that this downtrend is finished. And because once again, I don't want to be negative or bearish, but yes, this is the third wave, but this could be just the A, overshooting wave B, and a C, and we can go lower because we do have room to go lower. And actually, because we are 5 wave down, we can even go way lower to the under $65.35. So we need to be aware of that also. So we need start to have hint that break the downtrend, break this fourth wave high, break after the B wave level, and after that we can go and challenge the top of this 5-way up. So still nothing confirmed yet. Price didn't reverse. I don't have any sign of reversal. So we need to monitor the price and yeah, watch and, I don't want to say watch and learn, but watch and observe. Because if I go now on a shorter time frame, we are attempting to do something. Price is trying to break this very short-term downtrend. Not done yet. It's working on it. We will see tomorrow if we manage to do that or not. In the next 2-3 days, we should be able to know if this is the end of the correction or if it's going to continue a little bit deeper. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.